This tutorial takes a look at how to create quizzes in the D2L LMS. The first thing that we want to do is click on the Assessment tab from the navigation bar. Then select Quizzes and Exams. From here, you will click on the New Quiz button. We will go ahead and name our new quiz. Let's call this Week 1 Quiz. Then we can scroll down and click on the Add and Edit Questions button. We want to go ahead and click on the Add button and then click on New Question. From here, you will see a variety of questions that you can ask. The first thing that we want to add is a true and false question. For time length purposes of this tutorial, we are just going to add a couple of types of questions. So for the true and false question, we want to enter in our question text. Then you want to select the appropriate answer. Here you can enter in the points for the question. Over on the right-hand side, you can see a preview of how the question will look to the student. When you're happy with your layout, click the Save button. Now let's go ahead and add another type of question. Click on the Add button. Click on New Question. From here, let's select Multiple Choice. Again, entering your question text. And then here you will select the answers to your questions. Now that you've entered in your question responses, select the appropriate answer. Then click the Save button. Now, if you want to preview your quiz, you can click on the Preview button. And this will give you the layout of how the quiz will look to the student. That concludes our tutorial of how to create a quiz in the D2L LMS.